Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to extend a frame in Davinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you need to hold on a specific moment in your video, like creating a freeze frame effect or giving viewers more time to read text on screen. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Davinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, you'll see several tabs at the bottom of your screen. Click on Edit to access the editing workspace. This is where all your video editing magic happens, and it's the perfect environment for working with individual frames and clips. Now, you need to position your playhead at the end of the video clip where you want to extend the frame. The playhead is that vertical line that shows your current position in the timeline. Simply place it at the end of your clip, then press the left arrow key on your keyboard. This moves the playhead backward frame by frame, allowing you to pinpoint the exact frame you want to freeze and extend. Next, let's zoom into your timeline for better precision. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and scroll with your mouse. This zooms in and gives you a much closer view of your frames, making it easier to work with individual moments in your video. The closer you zoom, the more control you'll have over selecting the perfect frame. Now look for the blade tool in your toolbar. Click on the blade icon to activate it. With this tool selected, cut the last frame right where your playhead is positioned. This separates that specific frame from the rest of your clip, which is essential for the freeze frame effect we're creating. After cutting the frame, you'll see it as a separate clip segment. Right-click on this small clip that you just cut. A menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Change Clip Speed. This opens up the speed adjustment window where you can modify how this particular frame behaves. In the Change Clip Speed window, you'll see several options. Look for the checkbox labeled Freeze Frame and check it. This tells Davinci Resolve to hold the single frame instead of playing it at normal speed. Once you've checked that box, click Change to apply your settings. And here's the final step. Now that your frame is frozen, you can drag it to the right side to extend it for as long as you need. Simply click and drag the edge of that frozen frame, stretching it out on your timeline. This creates the extended freeze frame effect, holding that moment for however many seconds you want. And that's it. You've successfully extended a frame in Davinci Resolve, creating a professional freeze frame effect that adds impact to your video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.